Welcome everybody. Since most of you asked me to make a tutorial on jailbreaking iOS 15.6 RC, so here we go. As you can see, I am on this iPhone SE on iOS 15.6 RC. You can check out the build number 19G69. If you want to downgrade to iOS 15.6 RC, the guide is in the description. The method shown in this video is completely free. For this, we will be using the Palera1n Jailbreak. Palera1n Jailbreak is a completely free software. You can get it for free from its official GitHub page, as you can see it right here. Also, if you are on A10 devices and you want to fix the passcode, touch ID and such functionality, you can use checkpail, as you can see it right here. The jailbreaking commands for both checkpail and Palera1n are completely the same. If you want to use the checkpail jailbreak, I have a full guide linked in the description for you. Before we can use the Palera1n jailbreak to jailbreak iOS 15.6 RC, you will have to install some packages. I have made this easy install for you. You can get it from the description or from the pinned comment, and then use the install.sh to install the all required packages. So just get this, unzip it, and then just right click here, open a new terminal, and then type sudo bash install.sh, press enter and type in the password for your Linux, and then hit enter and wait for this to finish. Alright guys, once everything is successfully installed, you will see all done. Now you are good to go. Now simply connect your device via USB and then trust on your device, and then we will have to fix some USB issues. So we will be using this file. Just right click, open a new terminal, and then type sudo bash fix usb.sh, press enter, type in your password for Linux. Simply leave it minimized, do not close it. Now simply head to the official GitHub page of Palera1n and you will see this address in the address bar. Just copy it from here and then simply open a new terminal, then simply paste it here. Now at the beginning type git clone -- let me maximize it, recursive, and then give it a space and then simply press enter. This will clone the Palera1n for you. Alright guys, once the cloning process is complete, you will see this Palera1n folder. Open it and then right click, then open a new terminal here, then type here sudo /palera1n.sh --tweaks, then type your version, so 15.6 -- tethered, press enter, type in your password. Your device will go into recovery mode automatically, and if you see an error here, get your device into GFU manually and then run this command. Now get your device into GFU, just follow the on-screen instructions. Once done, it will start creating a RAM disk. Now please wait while everything is prepared. You will have to wait here for like 10 minutes because it is creating a file system, because you have selected the semi-tethered mode. Files ready through the loader and the rootfs are done. The device will now reboot in normal mode and then in recovery mode, and then we will get it into DFU to continue. And now from here, get your device into GFU. Just follow the instructions. Right, so my device has entered GFU. The process will continue. It will download some additional files before it will boot your device. You can see it here that now it will boot your device into normal mode. When your device boots up, you will see that your device will respring after 30 seconds and you will see the Palera1n app on your home screen. Alright guys, so just to confirm, I want to show you the version first, that it is indeed iOS 15.6 RC. You can see I have the Palera1n loader. Now guys, if you have problems that the Palera1n loader is not appearing make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and then your device will respring, and then you will see the Palera1n loader. Now simply open it and then hit install. Now it will start downloading some files just on your device, so wait for this process to complete. After everything is downloaded, it will start preparing the bootstrap. Always allow, and then simply respring, and then you will see CLU, allow. And first of all, I want to show you the version, iOS 15.6. as you can see, it is now jailbroken and everything is working. I can update the packages. Alright, as you can see, no errors whatsoever and everything is properly updated. You can install your tweaks. Everything is working as intended. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.